we're gonna be doing a mukbang. This not a sandwich, it's a hamburger. This is a hamburger. And we got a little juice. Mommy, ain't yours just the first one to be cold? I'm just opening it. All of ours. Yeah, and Yaya's on too. It was until she put it on her. Yeah, it was. First. No, girl, ours is the second. I mean, first. I had to get the coconut stuff in the room to make me cold. That's what I did. I was okay. And Amber, not sandwich. Let it look. I'm looking. Look. Look at I don't like that way. I just do it with a fork or something because it gets all over your mouth. And why would you want to put it on my face mask? I never put it on my neck. I just when you just say that. I said, Mommy, I do not like when you put it on my neck. Yeah, I know how to do the dance now. I know how to do the dance now. If you yeah. I didn't get me. I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna do it. Wait. Loud. Of course, ice cream is good, so it's going to taste good. No. Yeah. Yeah. It's going to taste good, right? I like that. That's why every time we think about the situation, but I'm fixing because when I was on the table and y'all was I had that bubble. I put it there and it wasn't there in there because I drank it all, so I could tell you. This is my son. I moved up to my and my mama was not in the I'm telling. Like you know, Grandma. Yes, you know you. I'm looking at me, Mommy. Oh, I thought she was looking at me. It's a different day in a different month and year. It's a different month, different year. Let me stop saying, yeah, it is different. Because it's 2020. Now here we go. This how we supposed to be second picture. I need some more dreams. My dreams. I'll be all it. But it's cool. Oh, no. I was so laughing so much to do it. Huh? Where? Basically, we have the same skill. I can't even move. Oh, give me some. No chips? No chips. No juice, no way. Bruh, exactly. No, you too. You're mad. You're mad. Stop being mad. I would love to be mad. Yeah. Because you already is. Yeah, sure. I'm not eating this. I'm not even put it all. These are my favorite. I had all the chips. Some, basically some. Thanks. Oh. Now I get the taste of that bowl. Stop. Oh, so funny because Dad had a food that even when he said like this over here. No, it failed. I'm just gonna put my chips right beside here, and I'm just gonna move this. That's why my cleaner say, stop. I'm trying to eat it. Guys, it looks like fries on here, but on y'all, but. No.
Because if you throw it, what I'm saying. Go give me some of this first. Oh, well. Because you ain't throwing it in the garbage.
I think that we bread and the garbage.
I'm going to tell him, if you throw that, I'm going to put that thing on the table and tell him.
Oh, I didn't get that. I'm just shaving it up.
But at least I could just put that right there.
No. Oh.
Looks like you got a clean there.
It looks like I'm not even clean that.
I feel bad for you.
Really? Looks like you got a clean there. Right?
I know, right?
Looks like so. I'll do some more then, okay?
I really wanted that. You're gonna clean that up.
And do my shit. I'm gonna do my shit.
Stop! Dang! And you cleaning the floor just like mommy said. Yeah, yes it can. Clean all over the floor. Clean on your home. This is your home. The floor is your home. Clean your home. Because it sure looks dirty down there. So I just gotta clean it up. Sorry, boo. But the third step on the floor. And you're gonna clean it up. Yeah, come here, you got like my profile and what I want to be doing a mukbang. This is a mukbang. This is a moment. Like, relax, y'all. Do not try this at home. Do not try to really eat the table because this is a whole candy table. This is not a real cup. This is candy, you guys. Not a real thing. So. And this is not real bread. Well, it kind of is, but it's candy bread. That's why I like it. You know, you got some crunch. Okay. Candy. Candy's so freaking good. Not good. Remember this? Inside my thing. Guys, see? I'm gonna see. Mm. 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 So, let's do some questions while we eat. This question is, y'all can see this night. But this question is, this question is, about, like, some stuff about us. Period. Some stuff about us, period. Like, period. It don't say that's okay. We gotta eat and talking about Kaden. So Kaden and Jace about them boxing. They're not really boxing because like Jay is like only 15 years old and he can get his blah 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 whoop. Okay, so that's why Jay do not try to beat him up because seriously, he will beat you up. So, if I was you, might as well just don't beat him, because he'll beat you. Okay? That's all I'm going to tell y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. I'm back. Mm-mm. I'm done. I'm back. Mm-mm. Gives me a drink again because I don't mind introduce me, so you know, gotta get some. Let's get it. Boo, 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 boo. Do one thing. Just got one. God, my sister got them, um, dang, I'm the only here. Try new video. mm. You too. Later, make sure you like, subscribe, click the notification button. Yeah, and get all my notifications.